80 billion born in 12 months. Once their partnership is sealed, once they agreed, believe it, Coinbase are ready to destroy over 80 billion bonds. Is this possible? Because Binance, yes, it is possible. Binance actually, they are approaching almost 36 billion. All right. Now, I still believe in the next 6 months to come, or in the next 1 year, Binance should be burning over 50 billion coins. So for Coinbase, based on, if you go to Twitter, you have people have actually been mounting pressure on Coinbase to list Solana Classic, and so many people are bringing the analysis based on Coinbase trending volume and based on the community, based on before Solana Classic, the crash of Solana Classic, they're actually calculating the amount of volume Coinbase was controlling. Comparing that with Binance, if Coinbase decide to come back and start listening and start supporting Solana Classic on that platform. Now, Coinbase, for me, there's been a proposal that Coinbase can burn up to 80 billion coins. They can only burn that if Binance is burning about 300 billion coins, because definitely Coinbase cannot burn Solana Classic more than Binance. Binance have that large audience. Binance are really supporting LUNC. So I believe whatever Coinbase burns in a month, so in a year, Binance can burn that 3 times in that same year. That is the truth. So, but for right now, based on statistics, Binance is burning just about 36 billion coins for over a year. Okay, over 1 year. This should be over 14 months. Binance, they have managed to burn just 36 billion coins. So bringing in Coinbase to burn over 80 billion based on expert prediction in a year, I don't think it's possible, because if Binance can burn 36 in 14 months, definitely whatever Coinbase burns in 1 year, Binance can burn that 3 times. Okay, so if Coinbase can burn up to 80 billion coins, Binance can burn up to 240 billion coins. So right now, that Binance is burning just 36 billion coins in 14 months. I believe that Coinbase can manage to burn 10 to 11 billion coins in a year, which means it's an average of almost 1 billion burns in a single month. And Binance can burn up to 3 billion coins in a single month. So what is it? What about the listening? Will it really bring an impact? Is that a question we should ask? Definitely yes, because of the market cap. Yeah, we still need a huge market cap, and Coinbase can really provide such market cap. But comparing Coinbase to Binance towards the point of Solana Classic, I don't think it's possible, because Binance definitely will burn more coins. Like I analyze here, Coinbase can only burn 1 billion per month and about 11 or 12 billion per year, while Binance can burn up to 3 billion per month and over 36 billion per year, based on my personal analysis. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.